Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. Spring is here, and so is the growth of lots of things, even some things that maybe you don't want to be growing around your property. And so it's time to start thinking about how you can get those under control. And that's why I want to show you this herbicide spray. It's a Southern Ag product and it's called Crossbow. I could not be more thrilled with this. We saw results after 1 hour of using this product. We used it on our concrete driveway, along the roadside, a creek, fence line. We use it all over our property. Now, we do deal with something called hemlock, which is a poisonous plant that we definitely don't want on our property. We don't want around our children. And I was just very thrilled at watching this weed wither after only an hour of use. And we even came back just to check on it and we sprayed it again, and we were sure that it wasn't going to grow back. I am really pleased with this product. I think that you're going to enjoy using this product on your property too, and that's my point of view.